Okay, I got the VR4 pulled outside. I'll show you guys that wrap in a minute, what it looks like in the sun. But right now I have the Audi A7, Michelle's car, on jack stands, and you know, this one's just lifted back real quick because it's not gonna be lifted for long. But I got the brakes painted. That's looking good. Just need a quick clear coat on there, and I think it's all set. But look how massive that brake is. Jesus Christ. This thing's rocking natural 20s, just stock. So that's a big ass wheel well. But over here is a look at the chrome wrap. Now the hood's not wrapped. The little A-pillar thing up there is not wrapped yet. I have to pull it back in. I'm just waiting for a scrap piece that's big enough so I can wrap that without blowing a big piece. But it looks pretty damn good outside. Yes, it's very close to the stock color, but that is the point. So I chose this wrap because it's dark and it's similar to the dark background. And when you open the door jambs, you won't even be able to see it. Or, you know, some parts like right over here. So I didn't make, with the chrome, you really can't make the cut all the way. Let me see if you guys can see that. But you really can't see it unless you're actually looking for it, because the car is so dark. Now if the car was red and I'm doing a black color, then you can really see it, and then I have to do like massive inlays. But in that part, I think I'm gonna accent it with some gold as well. So don't worry about those cuts. I need to get someone to do paintless dent removal. Just because if you look real closely, the chrome really shows all the little door dings and stuff that the car has gotten over the years. But it's looking really good right now. Today what I'm doing is, while there's daylight, I'm gonna sand all of this down. This side's done. I'm just gonna hit it with the sander on the other side. Then I gotta sand this active arrow wing and then take the active arrow off. The idle's doing a lot better since I replaced that, and I checked my, I gotta unplug my ECS computer. One of the guys commented and told me to unplug that, so maybe that will help back there. But good news is coilovers has came, and I'm gonna try to wrap this real quick today and then do coilovers tomorrow. So let's pull it into the garage and get started on this other side and the back. Okay, so this whole side's prepped and ready to wrap. I noticed on the other side that there are some little dimples and stuff like that from dents, just because the car is old. and I didn't like that, so I'm probably gonna redo that door after I'm gonna peel it off and do this to it. So basically the little dimples, I decided that I'm just gonna sand down the spots and then just lay some Bondo over it. So there was no spot here, but there was one right here. This is just a result of the sanding, and then there's like a little gash right there and a bigger gash right here. But it feels smooth to the touch to me, and I think that's going to be a lot better than just having a little dimple, which the chrome really shows. So I've done that, sanded down, and now I think it's ready to go. I clay barred the whole thing. One thing, guys, if you've never clay barred before, try it. It's amazing. Your car feels so smooth after you clay bar. It gets all the little grimy things out. You get one of these from like O'Reilly's or AutoZone, and it's just a piece of clay. It's called Siemens Clay Magic. But yeah, basically any kind of clay that's used for car detailing would do. That's really cheap, like $3. So, all right, let's get to wrapping. Okay, so this took me pretty much all night, but I didn't record me doing this because I didn't think I could do it. But check this out, okay? So this is the wing, right? I've already taken it apart. There's just like wing parts everywhere. This here is the bottom piece. I wrapped that in. I wrapped that in the gloss black. Or not the gloss, the black chrome. And then here is the wing piece. So I decided to do this wing piece, copying a Lamborghini that I've seen. Look at that. Holy shit. So this is the underside. Oh man. Look at that gold. Oh, it's so beautiful. Don't mind this because this is just soap. But just imagine that's clean. I'll clean that up. But here, you know what? Here you go. Okay, so here it is, all cleaned up. Look at how beautiful that is. Holy shit! Maybe I should have done the whole car in this. Would that have been ridiculous? I don't know. That gold looks pretty damn nice. So I think I'm gonna throw some more accents on here just because of how nice that gold looks. But it looks really great on curves. And I've made a whole cut all the way around, so this will show and reflect off of the black. So I think I'm gonna do the top in black just because the rest of the car is not in gold. Okay, so here's what I got going on. I got this strip running all the way from the front to the back. Why? Because when I wrapped to this antenna thing, I couldn't really make it over in one piece cleanly. So it was all hippity hop right here with the, the vinyl normally can stretch around this, but when it comes to chrome, it doesn't. So there's a little bit of hazing going on. So what I did was just put a fresh piece over it, and then you can see kind of the line right there. And then what this gold is gonna do is gonna cover that line, and it's it's kind of a cool little accent. But here is okay. So here is what I think I want to do is this in gold here. I might do more, but down here as well. All that is gonna be by the door, and maybe some gold into there. I'll pull it out once I'm done and do a final review video. But there's just some of the gold scraps that are on there. But here's what the back wing looks like. So let's see here. So once it's on, when the active arrow flips up, you can see, if you're behind me, you're gonna see all gold, baby, just flashing at you. That's gonna be great. I don't know. The gold looks so good that I kind of want to do this top part in gold too. But I set it up so that I can just knifeless this off and change the top color as I please. So I have more black than I do gold. Oh shit, this fell over. But anyway, that's how that's gonna be. I'm gonna put more accents depending on how much gold I have. Okay, so I gotta go make dinner, and I want to thank you guys for watching the video, and thank you to everyone who trusted me to wrap their cars just in my garage, and hopefully there's gonna be more to come. If you guys like what I'm doing, please like and subscribe, and ooh, check out how nice that looks. I can't wait to show you guys out in the sun how clean this thing looks. Pretty much the whole car is wrapped other than the wing and the hood, which I'm going to get to next. So leave me a comment in the comments below, and like and subscribe, and until next time guys, I'll catch you guys later.